Hello, Gaz Williams here for Sonic Lab, and we are taking a quick peek at the brand new Earthquaker devices, Pyramids, which is a flanger, as you probably heard from that little opener, but is a flanger with a real kind of almost synth-like depth of tweakiness. And we're going to have a little, well, we'll just have a little play through it. There is presets. We've got 5 presets. If it's all the way to the left, it's in live mode, which is a what you see is what you get. And then preset 1.
Oh, that's nice. What's that one?
I think that's pretty crazy. Preset 2 is what I did with the opener for. Preset 3. It's got that. Preset 4.
Oh, that's got some interesting stuff going on.
Yeah. Okay, and then preset 5, which I think is my favourite of the presets. That's pretty crazy. Huh. And if I change the tempo of that with a really slow tap in there.
It does something at the end of the note. Just play a single note, see what happens.
It's like going like a pitch shift. Whoop. So it's a kind of intriguing little box in that
It's not your average flanger, is it?
It's not your average flanger. Let's swap over so we play a synth through it. And the synth I'm going to use is the Dreadbox Abyss, because it's the Abyss is a really nice it's a polyphonic synth. Let's just take that out a minute. But it's only got a monophonic output. So what's quite nice with the Pyramids, as I've discovered, is that it does some really funky things to the stereo. Let's have a listen. Let's see what we got. I'm just going to use a really, really basic sound from the Abyss. This sound here. Okay, really simple sound on the Abyss. So the feedback goes from positive feedback, it's center notched, to negative feedback. I'm going to go on a live setting here, so for this, what you see is what you get. There's an expression pedal input here, and that, if I was to plug into that, it would change the manual control. So essentially,
can we see that? Can we show what is it on?
Yeah.
Is it normal jack?
Just normal jack, yeah. So it'll be just, that'll probably just take your sort of EV5s or whatever. So that would sort of have an effect of. And the rate control has a little toggle here. So if we were to play with the rate is basically slow, normal and fast. So slow, normal, and then fast. So like at the range of fast, it goes fairly slow to. Again, you can definitely hear the positive feedback, negative feedback. Now this tap tempo here, one, two, three, four. Again, dry. So you can hear the stereoizing effect is really quite large on it. Yeah, so this modify, you'd have to refer to the manual to see what it does, but basically, whatever the mode is on, we've got various modes like barber pole up. Let's go slow on this. So the down, barber pole down. And then these trigger modes are quite cool because then the tap then becomes like a trigger where you hit it, it will start the flange. Or if I put it to trigger down, actually let's find a better setting that will demonstrate that a little bit better. There we go. So I'm not quite sure how to use that, but it could be pretty cool. So as I say, I think where it is a great pedal for synths is in the fairly small tweaky moves. Can generate quite big effects. So you can imagine that being on an expression pedal could be quite cool. Excuse my keyboard playing here. I'm doing it actually with my hand behind my back.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Just so you can use your left hand so I can see.
Yeah, no, it is cool. I thought I might explain that, just so otherwise people will think, "Come on,
what are you doing?"
So yeah, I mean, you can certainly get classic kind of like ADA flanger type sounds and that sort of thing from it for sure. But I think it does go way above what you'd expect.
Let's get extreme. What can we find?
Strange.
Yeah. Weird. Oh yeah, there we go.
Without.
That is pretty.
So I mean, it's a pretty bonkers pedal, but I think there's a lot of cool sounds in there, and you know, obviously, I mean, we're kind of exaggerating it a little bit just to demonstrate it a little bit. But if you do use it subtly, and I mean, let's just, I'm just going to go to the kind of clank. So we've only just been sent this from Earthquaker Devices because they thought it was like the most sort of synth-friendly pedal in their range, and from my initial tweakings, you know, it certainly is a really cool kind of mega tweaky pedal, and I think it sounds great with guitar too, so I think it's pretty versatile. In fact, it's got memories on there as well, which is great. You don't tend to get memories on something like just a flanger pedal, so that's cool. And with the amount of sounds you can get in it, those memories are certainly welcome. All these different modes, you know, as I say, this classic and barber pole up, barber pole down, trigger up, down, step random.
And having the expression pedal too, that makes a big difference.
Yeah, I mean, that would be cool. I haven't tried that yet, but the range of the knobs is cool. I like this little toggle switch. It makes the rate control a lot more versatile. And yeah, I mean, I think it's one of these things that you're going to have to spend quite a bit of time to get to all of the functions and different tones you can get out of it. I mean, certainly in the short time I've had with it so far, I've been like, whoa, this is doing lots of, you know, this. It's relatively easy to make it predictable, but it's really quite a lot easier to make it very unpredictable. And I think that's possibly the great strength, and is in line with previous Earthquaker Devices pedals, which are most certainly, you know, left of centre when it comes to pedals. They've got some great pedals in their range, things that do some bonkers stuff. So I think the Pyramids could stand sort of shoulder to shoulder to some of the others. And also, I would say it stands shoulder to shoulder with some of the best flanges I've ever played around with. I think it's a winner, and I'm really enjoying playing around with it. So yeah, it's not sure the pricing on it just yet. Do we know the pricing? No. It's not out yet. It's just going to be just announced or imminently. So keep an eye out for it. It's called the Pyramids by Earthquaker Devices. I'm Gaz Williams for Sonic Lab. See you next time.